Its nostrils are surrounded by 22 fingers. Fingers that allow the mole to sense the world around it by touch alone. It enables it to detect food with astonishing speed. It can also swim, and once underwater, its nose helps it in a most extraordinary way. It blows out a bubble and breathes it back in, detecting in a millisecond if there's prey close by. This bubble blowing allows it to sniff out its food underwater, but unfortunately that means it soon runs out of breath. So it's just as well that it can hunt as fast down here as on the surface.